Welcome. The future of finding talent is here. Use SourceGeek to understand and approach your future colleagues effectively. There's a problem. 75% of employers struggle to find skilled talent. Challenges include intense competition, sourcing difficulties, building diverse pipelines, keeping humans in the loop with AI, and internal strategy. In summary, finding talent is difficult, and there is little time for quality outreach. We need authenticity, a strong employer brand, AI and automation, and data collection to optimize the process. What if a platform could understand job descriptions, create ideal candidate profiles, and match candidates? This would save you hours, focus on warm leads, and provide insights for better strategies. SourceGeek SaaS offers many benefits. Save hours on profiles, get detailed matching scores, and receive personalized messages. Enjoy self-service, clear subscription costs, and free onboarding and support. We are proud to share a selection of our happy clients. These companies are successfully leveraging SourceGeek to meet their talent acquisition goals. Thank you for watching this video. You can find us at www.sourcegeek.com or contact us at support@sourcegeek.com or 003-10617466123.